Want to try the beta version of CapCut Pro on PC? I'll show you exactly how to get it. First, click on Settings, then go to the Version tab. Once you're there, a new window will pop up. Check the box that says Try Beta Version if you haven't done yet. Next, click Check for updates. If a new version is available, another window will appear. You'll see what's new on the right side and then click Update Now. Once the update is finished, you'll get one last pop-up. Click Restart. CapCut will close and reopen automatically. After the restart, create a new project and enjoy testing the latest CapCut beta version.